What's going on, guys? Big Mike D717 Outlaw back with you here today. So today is a kind of crappy day here in Pennsylvania. It's raining, and 30-some degrees outside. But anyway, we're doing the first mods on the LML. Those happen to be new headlights, and I figured I'd start this vlog pretty early this morning. It's only about 6 o'clock, just to show the factory headlights. So the factory lights on this truck are just a halogen bulb. It does have LED high beams, which the previous owner installed, which I really like. Insanely bright for what they are. But the new lights that we got, I'll show you here in a minute. Alright guys, well, it looks like Mother Nature is not going to be nice to us, so we're going to get to the headlight install actually tomorrow, but you guys will be seeing it in a few seconds. But before we get too far into it, Motorama 2020 is coming up February 15th and 16th. Our 6'2 Society is setting up a booth. We'll have a built truck, a built car, 2 project bikes that are going to be unveiled at Motorama. One of them I've been a big part in, and the bike's really nice. We just got it running last night, and hopefully you guys get to stop out and see the booth to see it. I won't be posting anything else about the bike, at least pictures of it or anything. The bike's trying to be under wraps as much as possible until the event. But hopefully you guys come out, check out 6'2 Society on Facebook and Instagram. I'll put their information down below or on the screen, and I'll see you guys at the show. Let's get back to this headlight install and check out these Spec-D Tuning Projector Headlights. We are getting back to the install on the Spec-D Tuning Headlights. So I didn't go too crazy. These are a smoked housing with a daytime running light, kind of like a fiber optic LED. These are switching to projector headlights over the standard halogen that this has, so it is a LED for both, but it is a projector, and it is a smoked lens. I was going to do a black housing, but the black housing with the smoked tail lights and stuff just wasn't going to look right. So we just went with these, a simple, somewhat factory style set. And let's go ahead and commence the install. There is a little bit of wiring that you have to do on these lights. They do come with a relatively easy harness. You pull the harness off the truck, and all I have to do is wire these 2 lights into my running light, and that is the daytime running, these half circles or these C's that are around the projectors. Once those are wired in with some splice connections, they are good with the factory harness and just reassembly. Alright, let's get into this. We're going to do a time lapse, jump right into this, knock this out, see what the truck looks like after, and then hopefully get a nighttime running demo on how these projector lights actually look. And check out how these lights look. I already tested them. I know that they work, but we're going to check the difference between these, which I freaking love these. The smoked housing looks great, and like I said, the tail lights are the same smoked housing compared to these clear with chrome. But yeah, let's go ahead and fire the truck up and we'll check out both lights. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap it up for this video. I really hope you like the headlight install. Spec-D has some really nice headlights. They have other options other than this. You can get the same configuration for the daytime running lights and your clearance lights. With the black housing and clear lens, you can get chrome housing with a tinted lens like I did. You can get, I think there's 2 other models, but I'll put all the information down below. Spec-D has a couple other options too if you want a different style of headlight, even if you don't want to go with projector and stick with halogen or switch to LED or anything like that. But anyway, these headlights look great. We're going to check them out in the dark. That will be at the end of this clip. But really do hope you guys like the install. Very simple. Pull the grill, pull the pull the grill, pull the lights. That's about it. That's all we got. Alright guys, I'll check you guys out on the next video. Remember, drop a like, drop a comment, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Remember, drive safe, drive smart, always wear your seatbelt. See ya.